Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This might be a quick one. I'm not sure how quick this one's actually gonna be, but I got the stuff that I need to. So it's actually this thing, this clamp. This is the clamp that I need for putting this thing on, and it's pretty cool. I think this might be the first of its kind on a Volkswagen at least. I'm not sure. I haven't seen anybody else's, but if there's been anybody else, tag them down below or let me know their Instagram. I want to see it. It's pretty cool. But yeah, without further ado, let's go and get that going. All right, we made it. There you go. No point in hiding it. It's probably gonna be in the thumbnail anyway, so yep, here it is. So this is a muffler. Oh my god, I spoiled everything. Wow. Okay. Oh, that was that. I was gonna use the water so that I can at least dry it, not dry it, but wipe this off real quick. Hold on. So I was saying, I was gonna use the water to wipe this off real quick, but as you see, it's on the fucking ground already, or on the carpet already. So I was gonna give it a little wash and then wipe it down again. I'll be back. I can't do it with one hand, so hold on. All right, much better. So as you guys probably can tell, again, I already told you, it is a TOMEI muffler. It is off an R32 engine, or not engine, but exhaust, and it's a 3.5 inlet, and I think this is a 5-inch tip, which is pretty crazy because the one I used to have was like a 3-inch tip and a 2-inch or 1.5 or 2.5 inlet. So it's pretty. So now all I have to do is just take the clamp, get this down there, and clamp it up. So let me do that. Well, guys, so see right there, it's clamped. I got that all fixed up down there so that I could actually take this titanium, and we try to do a clamp instead of doing like welds because it's hard for the muffler shop to do titanium welds because, you know, titanium is a hard metal to weld. So I guess we gotta give it a start and see how it goes. It seems like it's on pretty tight, so hopefully it stays like that. All right, first start. I think it's pretty cold too, so we'll see how it sounds. You guys can hear me, but we gotta go get some 3M tape real quick because I gotta tape up my little like faceplate thing for the exhaust again, for my cover or whatever. But I gotta go get 3M, so it's a good time to, I guess, listen to exhaust, let it warm up. Right now just driving. First impressions are it's not as loud as straight pipe, and it's not as like gross and like throaty. I mean, it's throaty still, but it's not as throaty as straight pipe. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it has a better tone than straight pipe, I guess. But it's pretty loud. It's louder than my other muffler that I had before. At least that's my first impressions of it, just driving. Alright, finish up at wherever this is, O'Reilly's. Yeah, O'Reilly's. Got what we need to get. Ooh, got a little bit of space, I think. Let's do like a little tiny pool. See how it goes. Yeah, it's way loud. It sounds really, really like low and echoey. I have a feeling the drone might not be too bad in this because you can kind of hear like the difference from the other muffler to this muffler. I can already tell is that this muffler, you can hear it kind of like eject out the back. I don't know why. Maybe because it's like literally an inch farther out, or maybe because the muffler system, but like it feels like it's a lot better like sounds, so it might not drone on the highway as much as it used to. Even when the pops pop, the pops are way like thicker. Like everything feels thicker. It's kind of nice compared to the old one. I don't know how much filming I ever did with the old one, but all the videos of you know, at CGI racing and all that stuff was with my old muffler, so you guys can hear that difference versus this. But this one just feels thicker. All the pops, all the sounds, all the pulls, turbo noises sound like there's a lot more, but maybe that's because the sound's ejecting out more. I don't know, but anyways, yeah. All right, so just got 3M on that face thingy. Actually, I already trimmed the face thing from the previous one because the previous one was only like I said, 3-inch, something like that. This is a 5-inch tip, so I trimmed it a little bit. But there you go. Now it sticks out a little bit as well. You guys can see. It's out just a little bit. Looks alright. I wish it wasn't as much, but I wish it was only right here. But the old one, the end of it, right, this thing was like right here, which I didn't like. That was like the one critique I really wanted to make sure I got pushed out more. But because how big the muffler is, it pushed it out even more than I wanted. Maybe I wanted like right here where this blue titanium strip is, but it's okay. Looks alright. Alright, so then we're just going to probably wait a little longer until traffic dies down a little bit so we can actually go on the highway and all that fun stuff and actually do some pulls. That's exactly what happens when you guys put a TOMEI on a Volkswagen. Again, I don't know if anybody's ever done this before. But so if you guys like this video, please go hit the like button. Subscribe if you guys haven't yet. We just hit 300, very recent. So I guess we're going for 400. So thank you guys very much for everybody who's followed along. Just a stupid idea that actually came to fruition and actually did it. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.